Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the chapter collection of data. In this we have to discuss the information from the local sources corresponding and information through the questionnaire and schedule. Now first, information from local sources or corresponding. Under this method the investigator appoint a local persons or corresponding at different place. They collect information in one way and furnish the same to the investigator. And suitability of this method is that regular and continuous information is needed. The area of investigation is large. The information is to be used by the journal, magazine, radio, TV, etc. And very high degree of accuracy of information is not required. The merit of this method is quite economical in the terms of time, money, or effect involved, and this method allowed at a fairly wide coverage or investigation. The correspondent keep on supplying almost regular information, and this method is particularly suitable for the some special purpose investigation. For example, price quotation from the different grain market of the for the construction of index number of agriculture price. And demerit of this method is the originality of data is sacrificed owing to the lack of personal contact with the response, and there is lack of informality of data. This is because data is collected by the numbers of correspondent, and data collected by this one not very accurate, and generally there is delay in the collection of information through this method. Next, information through questionnaire and schedule. Under this method, investigator prepare a questionnaire keeping in view of objective of the inquiry, and there are two way of collecting information on the basis of questionnaire. First, mailing method, and second, enumerator method. In first mailing method, under this method, questionnaire are mailed to the informant. A letter is attached with the questionnaire giving the purpose of inquiry. It is also assured that information would be kept secret. The informant note the answer against the question and return the complete questionnaire to the investigator. The suitability of this method is that the area of study is very wide and the informant are educated. Second, merit. This method is economical in the terms of time, money, and effect involved. And this method is original and therefore fairly reliable, and information is duly supplied by the concerned person themselves. This method allows wide coverage of the area of study. Demerit of this method is generally the informant do not take interest in the questionnaire and fail to return the questionnaire. Those who return the often send incomplete answer. This matter lack flexibility when questions are not properly replied. This cannot be changed to obtain the required information. This method has limited use owing to the fact that the questionnaire can be answered only by the educated informant. Thus, this method cannot be used when the informants are uneducated. Next, enumerate method. Under this method, the question is prepared according to the purpose of inquiry. The enumerate himself approached the informant with the questionnaire. The questionnaire which are filled by the enumerator themselves by putting question are called schedule. So, under this method, the enumerate himself fill the schedule after seeking information from the informant. The suitability of this method field of investigation is large. The investigation needs specialization and skill investigator. The investigators are well versed in local language and culture of norm information, and this method capable of wide range coverage, and there is a fair degree of accuracy in result. And the method is impartial and schedule have the merit of complete because these are filled by the enumerate themselves. And the demerit of this method is this is very expensive method of investigations, and availability of enumerator may be not be available, and enumerator may need specialized training for particular investigation. Thank you.